guys, welcome to my channel, Halloween Happy, where Halloween is more than just once a year. In today's new video, as you're watching this is future Sam popping in. I'm popping in. I definitely want to give you guys my tips and tricks, and so a lot of the stuff in this video, it's just like basic stuff that I always like to add to my home, add to my collection. That way I can put my own spin on it, my own Halloween magic, my own Halloween spooky touch to it. So I hope that I can get your brain thinking and just give you simple, easy ideas. Still a new haul to my channel. These were the Halloween things that I purchased last year, but just had kept them in a pile because I wanted to share them with you guys. Filmed these like during winter. I think it was like January. Almost gonna delete them because I felt like it was old and what's the purpose in showing you guys. I'm gonna stop rambling because I have a tendency of doing that. So back to your regularly scheduled video. If you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click your notifications bell. That way you are notified when there's a new video. In today's video, guys, I'm continuing on with getting through just the mess of Halloween. It's a good mess. It's fine. It's a good mess. Today I am going to continue hauling the Halloween stuff that I got from just this past Halloween season. Fun because there's a lot of stuff that I picked up last year that I don't even remember buying. Picking things out, I'm like, oh my god, I forgot I got this. Wow, this is so cute. Like, where did this come from? I'm just gonna keep rolling with it, guys. I can't put pressure on myself. I can't do that again. I can't. I'm not going to, but I probably will. Found this garland wool beads I thought would be interesting on my Halloween tree, I believe. But these are just from Hallow Home, and as you can see, just the color scheme is black, gray, cream, orange. You know, just the good old Halloween palette. It'd be so cute like above a bed, just saying. I found another blanket. I believe I found this at, where did I get you from? I think this one came from Burlington. This is one of my favorite types of blankets to get, where it has the cute Halloween soft fabric like the fleece. On the other side it has that Sherpa material, which is really cozy. It's soft, it's not scratchy at all. Found this at Big Lots, I want to say. I probably should have put some batteries in it, but life goes on. Pumpkin light up sign. It's covered in black glitter. I don't really know if that's your thing. I personally don't mind I don't mind Halloween glitter. I just don't want it on everything because it does get really messy. But I like the pops of it. I like the sparkle, the shine, you know? So I thought this was really cute. Kind of looks like something that Target would have. Pretty much the same as the first one that I showed you guys, but it has some extra candy corn on it, and this is just the orange and cream palette. So cute. I feel like with these, especially if you're trying to Halloween it yourself, some of the items that you buy, I am for that because you could do so much with this. This could be great for like creepmas. You could add snowflakes on it, all sorts of stuff. It'd be cute for Valentine's Day because candy, could add some orange hearts to it. Just, you could do so much, guys, and I hope I give you some inspiration on how you can transform Halloween into each holidays. I wish that I had the resources to show you guys more like craft videos, but maybe it's something we can work on this year. I have so many ideas in my head. Hopefully me just spewing them at you kind of gets those wheels going. But this would be cute on the tree. I don't know if I got this intentionally for the tree or not, but I was like, hey, it's good to switch it up. It's not as busy. I don't remember where I found this one at. It's the same, has the little ball knots on there, but then you get these really cute pumpkins. You could even paint jack-o'-lantern faces on these guys if you wanted to. You could paint different words, paint a letter per pumpkin if you have like, I don't know how many pumpkins there are, but you know what I mean. It could be like home, it could be your last name, it could be Halloween, who knows. So many possibilities. More garland because I don't have enough garland. Found these just at Party City. So basic. You could honestly make these yarn ghost of where you ball it up and then you cut it and you can add eyes to it. You can paint on a mouth. You can add a mouth on with felt. I don't know why. I think Why did I get these? These would be cute over a bed too. I think that's what I was doing because I keep talking about how I want my Halloween bed back. A lot of options of garland to hang above the bed and on the bed frame when that time comes. Banners. You guys know I love banners. This one I found at Tuesday morning. I feel like I paid a little too much for this. Even though it was $3, this should have been on sale for a quarter. We're not holding on to grudges. We're not doing it. American Crafts, and it is just a basic black Happy Halloween banner. This is just another example. As you can see, the banner's right here, but you can always tie on your own touches. Cut up some Halloween ribbon that you have and add it on there. You can even dip some Halloween glitter on there. Let me know if you guys bought a lot of Halloween at Target, and tell me when the last time you bought a lot of things at Target come Halloween season. For me personally, I feel like it's like 5 years ago. That was probably the most that I purchased Halloween from Target. But anyways, that's not the point. I feel like this past year was the first year that I didn't really buy that many items from Target. I don't know if it's just the Targets were set up differently. Obviously, COVID had a lot of impact with shipment and stores setting up previous years, I mean. And I remember specifically, I was with my friend, but I was like, do I need this? And I was thinking, but I got it anyways. One of their neon signs. I feel like this is just one of their neon signs that they've had every year. We need something to do with the extra signs. They created the pumpkin to throw on it to sell these. Let me know your thoughts. Is that what happened here? Let me know. And now that I'm thinking about myself in my Halloween bed when that time comes, cuddling up with Raven, reading a spooky book, drinking some tea, and seeing this just glow, I think I'll be happy about it. Candle holders. These are so cute. I think I got these in mind. We don't have a kitchen table. We just have like, there's just like a breakfast counter for when the time comes to buy a table, a kitchen table, because I want like a little kitchen area. The dream kitchen table I have in my head from Target. It's cute. These were like my favorite things from Spirit. I was obsessed with these gel clings. I don't know why I loved them so much. They remind me of the clear stamps for crafters. Trick or Treat window clings. Trick or Treat, you have Sam, you have the blood splatter, just a lot of, I felt like it was jam-packed with window cling. It was only $8. I feel like just the one side they could have charged $8 and that would have been fine. But then when I found out it was double-sided, I was like, oh, I love that. A few more items. Found this ceramic jack-o'-lantern from Marshall's. It lights up, as you can see. Kind of hard to see with the light on. I don't know if you guys are a fan of like the Boney Bunch collection from Yankee Candle. Just one of their random deals where it's like you spend so much you can get this guy for like $15 or whatever. When you buy him by itself, it's $35, which is ridiculous. I think anyway, this candle holder, you can also use it as candy and whatnot. Anything really. Ceramic jack-o'-lantern. It's pretty cute. There wasn't a lot of stuff at Yankee Candle for their Halloween collection this year. I wasn't too impressed with it. I don't remember where I found these from. It just says Trick or Treats with, it's just a beige color. Then you have a few orange stripes. Simple, not too busy. This black and tan one with some stripes. Then it just says Happy Halloween. I've been trying to keep my new pillows up because as you can see when I have them on my couch, this one, Raven, will just lay on them. Sometimes she'll turd on them. Sometimes she'll shed on them. You know, dog things. Then the last thing I'm excited to share with you guys. I feel like this was such a popular item. I remember when everyone started posting Insta stories on this item and I was like, that's one that I need to find. Trick or Treat Tunes, also known as the little Halloween radio. How fun is this? It comes from Mr. Halloween, which also makes the famous Halloween ceramic Christmas trees. If you guys remember the item, the hot item for Michael's. Vintage picture of these two cats. It shows your different stations, so Witches News Network.
UNN Sports Desk Update. Your source for all the scary sports news. From behind the lines of the Witches' Coven, the Witches' annual Capture the Ghost Championship was held yesterday, and it was quite a game.
The Weather Network.
Coming to you live from outside Count Dracula's castle. With the barometer falling as fast as a dead bat, I can barely make out the ghouls and goblins through the...
So fun. I've seen it in turquoise, purple, but like I mentioned before, I was trying to stick more along the orange theme. Let me know what your favorite item was. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It would help out my channel so much. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Turn on your notifications. That way you know when there's a new video on my channel. Hope you are doing well. I hope you're taking care of yourself, your heart, your mind. If you want more Halloween happy and want to see what I'm up to, follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. All my social media links are listed down below. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day. I love you and I'll see you in my next video.